Hi, welcome back. It's another Stitch Fix box, and this time I've been able to film my try-on much better. You can actually see each item, and if not, I've taken a picture of it and inserted that. So hopefully that will be way more helpful than my others. So I unpacked it here in front of me, and I'll go through it with you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it's a subscription box that you choose how often you get it. You can get it as often as weekly, and then you can also push it out to, I don't know, probably once a year or once every 6 months. I don't purchase a lot of clothes usually, but I've been just getting more into it and wanting to really update and clear out my closet of old worn clothes that don't fit me well or have just kind of worn out or out of style. So I really want to curate my closet, make sure that everything that I have in there I really want to wear, that I know I can go in there and everything that I choose I love and fits me well. So that's my goal. So like I said, you get to choose how often you get this box, and in this box you get 5 items. It can be clothing, jackets, shoes, bags, accessories, jewelry, things like that. And what you do is you fill out a profile so they get to know your style. You can determine the price range for each item. They let you list out like how much do you like to spend on jeans, how much do you spend on jewelry. So you don't have to get things that are way out of your price range, and you can kind of fit it to your lifestyle and your budget. I am 54 years old. I'm 5'2". Right now I weigh about 113 pounds, and I asked for plain solid color sweaters and sweatshirts. I live in a cold climate. I live a casual lifestyle. So I asked for solid sweatshirts and sweaters, and then a black pair of jeans, and I think a leopard accessory. Those were the things that I asked for. So here's a card that comes in your Stitch Fix, and on this card are all the items, and they are paired with possible outfits, you know, shoes, bags, things like that. And then you get a letter from your stylist. You're assigned a stylist who takes a look at your profile, and then you can also leave her notes like I did, and she works with you to try to find things that will really fit and that you'll love. It costs you nothing to return. If you don't buy anything, then there's a $20 fee each Stitch Fix box if you don't buy anything. If you buy even one thing, that $20 is applied towards your purchase. So it's a great deal. So in this box, I got a bag, and this is a shoe bag, which is nice and sturdy. It's a canvas with a drawstring, and inside of it are the Lucky Brand Emmie printed leather ballet flats in light gray, and they're $59. Okay, so I asked for a leopard print accessory, but she informed me that she couldn't find a leopard print, so she included a snakeskin print that she thought that I might like. But unfortunately, I do not like snakeskin. There are a lot of women who do, and I know it's really on trend right now. They've got a shine. If you can see, I don't know if the light's catching the shine on this. Yeah, it is. But snakeskin just really isn't my style, but I will try them on and see how they fit. There is a bit of cushion in here, which is nice. They're not those really hard flats. Then I asked for black pants, and there's these. They're by Gen 7. They have a wide elastic band at the top. I've never owned any jeans with a band like this at the top, only leggings. So I'm not sure what these are going to do when they're on. I don't know how they'll feel or look. And then there's pockets in the back. The front pockets are faux. It's a really nice material. Let's see what it's made out of. Okay, these are cotton rayon and spandex. So they've got a nice stretch in them. And they are, what size are they? They're a size 2, and they're $99. So they're a little bit up there in price. We'll see what those look like on. Then next would be this gray sweater by 818. It's a size small, and it is $44. It's the Pax lace-up detail pullover. Oh, it feels really good. It doesn't feel like wool. It isn't scratchy. Oh, and look at these sleeves. Look at that detail on the sleeve. I like that. Sometimes I can look super boxy in these sorts of sweaters, especially without a V-neck. My build is kind of wide in my upper body. I'm sort of wide, and I've got a larger rib cage, and so I can look pretty darn boxy in sweaters. Sweaters are usually not my friend, but I live in such a cold climate that I do require having sweaters, and this is a really nice weight. It doesn't feel too thick or too lightweight where it won't keep me warm enough. So this is made of, it's 93% polyester and 7% nylon. That's why it didn't feel like wool. It feels good, and this is hand washable. So I kind of like this, and I do like gray. So I'm excited to try that on. Okay, the next thing is a pretty dark blue. It's by Ink, Love, and Peace. It's a Quinn knit hoodie in small petite. It's $58. It's got a hood and the drawstrings. It's long sleeve, no pockets, but it's got this ribbing detail on the outside. It could be, it's a thinner knit. It's not heavy like a sweatshirt material. It's very thin, almost feels like a jersey, which I love how that feels against my skin, but sometimes it is so unforgiving on your belly. And my belly, let's see, it is 90% modal and spandex. Yeah, so this could be flattering, or it could be show all my lumps and bumps. We'll try that on and see. It's got a wide band at the bottom. It's fairly expensive, $58 for this piece, but we'll see what it looks like on. And then the last thing, is by Mix by 41 Hawthorn, Kallon brushed knit hoodie in olive, size small, $38. I love this color. This color looks really good with my eyes. Okay, so it's sporty, and it's got like the hoodie pocket, the one hoodie pocket in the front, and it's got stripes, black and gray on the side, which is really nice because I wear a lot of black and gray, so it'll go with things. And the hood isn't too big to where it'll kind of make your hair poof out. And this is thinner too, but it feels like a cotton blend, and it drapes differently. Let me see what this is made of. Okay, it isn't cotton, it's rayon, polyester, and spandex. But I love this color with my eyes. You can see, really brings them out as far as the green goes. So I'll try these on, and I will come back and let you know what I think. So I have 3 of the items on. I'm gonna start with these flats, these Lucky Brand flats. They're the right size, they're 6.5. They have some nice cushion. It's not super flat and hard. You know how some flats are? It feels very comfortable and cozy. There's no slipping with my heel. But like I said, I don't like the snakeskin pattern, and I have a pair of flats that's basically the same kind of color family, so I don't need them. But they are very comfortable. If you like this snakeskin sort of look, you might really like these Lucky Brand flats. And then next are these Gen 7 pull-on skinny jeans. They're really, really soft. They have kind of that brushed, super soft feel to them. They have 2 pockets in the back, and then they've got that wide waistband up at the top. The pockets in front are just sewn shut. They're not real pockets, but they feel really comfortable, and they don't come down too narrow around my ankle, which I like because I have big calves and sometimes that really accentuates them. This does not. I feel like I could wear flats or heels or boots with these. I could style them different ways, so they're really versatile. I'm definitely going to get these. And then this last one is by 818, this pullover sweater. It's the perfect thickness. It's really soft, but it feels warm. And I'm 5'2", so that's why it comes down past my hands. But I like it because it's so cold here. And then on the sides, it's got this lace detail. Let me show you on both sides, which is just an added little bonus. It's not too fitted. I can wear a layering piece underneath. I like the length on this. Here's the Layla Jade knit hoodie. It's a really stretchy, super soft fabric. All of the tops that she sent me and these pants are washable. Nothing has to be dry clean, which I prefer. I think that's great. The sleeves are long. It has a hood in the back. And then these two little straps here. My husband thinks, because of the ribbing on the outside, which I like as a little detail, he thinks that that looks like it's inside out. But here I could pull it down if I were to wear leggings, and then I can also have it up to where it's more kind of folded over and blousey. This is my tough spot right here in my middle. So I want to make sure I feel comfortable sitting down and everything in this. So let me know what you think of this one. Here's another knit hoodie by Mix 41 Hawthorn. I love this, and so does my husband. I think it is just so cozy, so comfortable, sporty. It's got a little hood in the back, and these ties, and these pockets here. I love it with these skinny jeans. It'll look good with blue jeans as well. I paired it with these red flats that I got in my last Stitch Fix that I love, that are really comfortable and really pretty. Here's a closer look at it. So hopefully you could see the pieces a lot better in this video than in my past ones. I am going to get the green hoodie. I'm going to get the black pants. I'm going to get the gray sweater. I do look a little boxy in that gray sweater, but I definitely need a sweater, and I like the neutral color, and I like the details on the arm, and it's the perfect warmth weight for me. So I'm going to send this knit skim back, and I believe I'm going to send the blue hoodie back as well. It did look pretty good on me. I was kind of surprised. It being fitted on the sides really is helpful for my figure. I think the fit is really nice standing up. I think it looks pretty flattering on my figure. I like how it gives me some definition in the waist, but if I sit down in that, I really do see every lump and bump, and I don't want to feel uncomfortable with any piece of clothing I have. I really don't want to have to question, will I feel comfortable and do I want to wear it? I want to know I can pick it up and feel my best. So I would encourage you to try Stitch Fix if you've never done it before. It really is super fun, and you can cancel anytime. You can just try one box if you wanted to do it for a Christmas gift for yourself or a sister or a friend. That would be kind of a really fun thing to do. I'll leave my link down below. Also, if you don't want to use my link, I think it gives us each $20 towards a box. But if you don't want to do that, I completely understand. Just go to stitchfix.com, and it's very self-explanatory and really fun to get started. So remember, be kind, be grateful, be brave, and I will see you soon.